How to edit a shortcut in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can edit a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to edit a shortcut in Snapchat, let's say you open the Snapchat app over here and then you just go ahead and then basically take a snap, and maybe you want to just go ahead and send this to your shortcuts. Here you can see a couple of shortcuts that I've added. If you'd like to edit a certain shortcut, you can just tap on that shortcut here, and then you can just go ahead and then basically select all of these people, or you can just tap the add button next to it, select a shortcut that you want to actually go ahead and then edit. So here you can see the plus icon, tap the plus icon, select a shortcut that you want to edit. Now you can choose to add or remove people from this list over here, and whether you want to add or whether you want to remove, just check or uncheck them. You can also change the emoji and then tap the save option to edit this particular shortcut. And this way you'll be able to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.